Difference between discomfort and uncomfortable. Discomfort and uncomfortable are closely related terms, but they differ in part of speech, usage, and context. Discomfort is a noun that refers to a state of unease, mild pain, or awkwardness. It can be used to describe both physical and emotional unpleasantness. For example, he felt discomfort in his lower back after sitting for hours. Uncomfortable is an adjective that describes something or someone causing or experiencing discomfort. It qualifies nouns and is used to indicate that a person or object is not providing ease or comfort. For example, this chair is very uncomfortable to sit on. In summary, discomfort is the feeling or state, noun. Uncomfortable is used to describe something or someone that causes or feels that state, adjective.